The undulating Ailao Mountains runs through central Yunnan province. The diverse terrain and distinctive climate preserve the primordial environment where grow, since the age of dinosaurs, one of the denizens, the Cycas. Often dubbed the iron tree, it is the oldest seed-bearing plant species. Thriving deep in the mountains, many of them are found only in China, including the Cycas dionanensis. Unlike other Cycas species, it has keel-like leaves that array in pairs. The dorsal side manifests distinctive pale green, and the stalks are covered with shorter thorns. The Cycas dionanensis prefers sunny places, with the balmy air in the Ailao Mountains. The rare sight of flowering iron trees elsewhere is rather common. As a gymnosperm, actually, the Cycas doesn't blossom. The cone-shaped flowers are strobiles. The main strobile resembles a pagoda, while a female has an oblate shape. A dozen layers of petal-like spikes make it like real flowers. Some of the exposed ovules are coated with fine hair. They silently await the pollinators. With the changes in the local environment, their procreation is increasingly difficult. In addition to the dioecism, their mature periods are 2 weeks apart. The separation in time and space has led to an extremely low rate of pollination. The reducing large herbivores in the wild make it harder for them to spread seeds. For the seeds that landed in the soil, the low germination rate still poses an obstacle. The starchy trunk is favored by rodents. The Cycas is beset by various threats. Yet they never stop adapting. The waxy surface of the leaves can lock in water, and they are non-flammable. The coralloid roots of the Cycas draw the blue-green algae to live in symbiosis. The algae absorb the nitrogen in the air and fix it in the roots to serve as a source of nutrients. They help the Cycas adapt to the harsh environment. They used to grow alongside the dinosaurs. In the past 300 million years, the Cycas has witnessed vicissitudes of numerous ages. With those giant reptiles long gone, the Cycas is still thriving on as a living fossil of the plant kingdom. The Cycas manifests growth rings of the earth and amaze people with various possibilities of survival.
的有丰富的这种